paghahanda ng mga papaalis na eroplano, cargo handling, baggage services, aircraft marshalling, fueling at marami pang iba. Ito ang iba't ibang serbisyo na kinahaharap ng mga ground handling operators, katuwang ang airlines company na nag-o-operate sa paliparan 24 na oras. Ngunit ang hindi alam ng marami, mas nahaharap sa panganib ang mga tauhan ng mga service provider, lalo na ngayong tag-init, partikular na ang mga ramp loader at cabin cleaner.
We already had conducted several stand-downs or briefings to all our staff, most especially those people who are directly affected by the summer heat.
Hindi lang ang airlines ang nagdadagdag ng mga tauhan sa tuwing may peak travel season, kundi maging ang mga ground handler operator kagaya ng Dinata upang tiyakin na maibibigay nito ang kumpletong serbisyo sa kanilang partner airlines.
We already have this augmentation plan as well. If there would be, because there's always a standard number of people who works on a particular flight. So if that flight has been forecasted as heavy, then we will augment that with additional manpower.
On our part as their service provider, we make it a point na lagi kaming may, sabi ni Mr. Palma kanina, may augmentation kami ng staff namin. If that would mean recalling people on vacation, then we will do that kasi it's within naman our prerogative to serve the riding public, including kahit management team, if they need to be there on those particular days na very heavy ang operations, then that's a natural thing for Dinata to do.
Kaya naman, bilang partner ng airlines, tinitiyak din ng Dinata na sa lahat ng peak travel season ay lagi silang nakahanda.
Sa ating mga mananakay, rest assured na ang airport at lahat ng stakeholders, MIAA, airlines, ground handlers, everyone that's in the airport ecosystem, taon-taon naman nangyayari ito, and taon-taon we are always ready.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal, Cherry Light, SMNA News.